Hello, here we are at NumberCorner again. We're going to start with our calendar piece behind us. And remember, we have that pattern going. We're going to look at the pattern using our cards back here, and then we'll look at it again on our pattern strip. So we have, say these with me, the shapes. Circle, square, triangle, oops, I messed up. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square. Wondering what will be our next shape in our pattern. And we talked about how we have some real world objects here. So I wonder if they're going to be real world objects again or if they're going to be back to our other plain circle. It is our plain circle again. So we had, it looks just like our number 1, and this is the number 9. Today is September 9th, 2020. And I'm going to write that up here on the board for you. Remember, we write our month first. So we're going to write September 9th, 2020. 2020 is our year, 9 is our day, and September is our month. And it is Wednesday. We're going to sing our days of the week, and we're going to clap on Wednesday. All right, here we go. Sing with me. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, now we're going to do our months of the year. I want you to look up here. Think about what our month is. Starts with an S. September. So we're going to sing our months of the year, and then we're going to clap on September. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. All right. Very good. Thank you for singing with me. Okay, we're going to look over here at our number line and our chains. So if you can see, Mrs. Lenz put our collection of 10 chains up here, and I'm going to keep these up here, and then eventually we can count by tens with them. So we're going to start a new link today. We're going to start again with our red chains for number 1. And I'm just going to put this with our magnet man, and we're going to count. We're going to count these first because we're counting how many days we've been in school. So this is 10, and one more makes 11. So we have 10, 11. All right. And we're going to add the number 11 right here to our number line. And if you look up top, up here, you can see that Mrs. Lenz added our yellow number line 1 through 10 all the way up here. And we're going to make a pattern, and we're going to go all the way around my room. And we're going to keep going until we have all of our days in school counted. So my first strip was yellow. This one is orange. So our pattern is going to go yellow, orange, until we have all of them completed. All right, so the number 11, I want you to think before I write it. I want you to think about what the number 11 looks like. Tell somebody next to you. All right, the number 11 is a 1 and a 1. Just like that. And I don't have a rhyme for 11, just a 1 and a 1. All right, we need to add to our 10 frame up here. Yesterday, we filled up our first 10 frames. So we know that this is 10 dots. We don't even have to count them one by one. And we're going to add one more. And I misplaced, hang on, let me grab my green marker. We're going to make our next dot down here. And we know that that is 11. So let's count. We have 10. One more makes 11. Remember, we don't have to count these individually because we can see that that's a full 10 frame, and we know that that's 11. Okay. last thing we're going to do for the day is our calendar collector. And I'm going to show you just some updates on what I did with it since yesterday. So you can see that yesterday we collected 4 cubes. We had 3 blues and 1 red, and we counted that we had 8 from last week. So I stuck the number 8 inside of there. So we know that from week 1 we had 8 cubes. So today we're going to spin again, and then we're going to count our cubes out onto a 5 frame today. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. All right, so first I'm going to spin. We're going to see what number we get. Show me with your fingers what that number is. It's a 4. We got the number 4 again. I got 4 yesterday. All right, so here is my bag of cubes, and here is my 5 frame. So I'm going to put this down here, and if you have your 5 frame and you want to count out 4 somethings with me, that's great. Just going to grab out 1, 2, here we go. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 new cubes today. Let's count those again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many blues do I have and how many reds? I have 2 blue and 2 reds. Okay, I'm going to stick those up here into our pocket, and then by next week we will count how many we have all together. All right, that's all I have for Number Corner today.